You look so retarded.
She said. Look at you.
Give her more. Give her more. What'd you put on her nose?
Sorry. It's
Give her more.
oh my god, it's everywhere.
Want to give her the whole container?
No.
She won't eat. Hold on.
Wait, hold on.
Hey,
Put
Cleo.
your tongue on there, Mama. Put your tongue on there. There, look. No, fool, no, look. She's
Why?
got like a grip. Look. I literally have the spoon.
See how long she does it.
She just keeps coming back for more.
Want to give her milk?
Hold on. This is classic. She should be the new peanut butter dog.
Cleo, the peanut butter puppy.
She's all, what the hell? No. Oh.
She won't eat it. Throw that away.
I wonder what would happen if we do this to Alonzo's dog, Smokey. His dog, Smokey's stupid. Mom just goes,
Is that my mom?
yeah. Come here, dude, stop!
Hold on. Hi, Mom.
Hi, chicken out.
Sorry.